are coming to you from Salt River Canyon in the pouring rain.
Yep, it is a rainy day, a rare rainy day in Arizona. It is sprinkling, and we celebrate that by standing out in the rain and taking pictures.
Yeah, so our hope was to get out and get some dramatic clouds and dramatic lightning because we knew it was going to rain. But right now we have gray skies and really no dramatic lighting. But we're going to still go ahead with the video that we had planned for you today.
Yeah, let's take a look at shooting landscapes with different types of lenses.
Yeah, so Warren's going to be shooting with a wide angle lens, and I'm going to be shooting with a telephoto lens, and we're going to show you the difference it has on landscape shots. So Warren, what lens are you shooting with today?
Today I'm shooting with the 24-70 2.8 G Master.
And I am with the 100-400 Sony G Master as well.
All right, well, let's get some shots taken and see the difference.
Yeah. All right, so I've got, like I said, my 100-400 on. And one of the big differences in shooting landscape photos with a telephoto lens is obviously you've got a smaller field of view than the wide angle lens. The wide angle lens allows you to see the wider view of the landscape. When you're shooting with a telephoto lens, you're really focusing in on one part of that landscape. And so that's what I'm doing right now. There's a waterfall in the background back there, and that's what I'm focusing on. I have a very low ISO and I have a high aperture, so I can slow down that shutter speed. I'm going to try to show a little bit of movement in the water. So that's what I'm starting on right now. I will let you know, this is the first time I've used this Sony in the rain. I keep getting a flashing warning. This accessory is not supported by the device and cannot be used. So we'll see. I've shot in the rain a lot before, but not with this camera. So we'll see what happens, and hopefully it won't be the last time this camera is usable. So I'm going to take some shots, and we'll share the pictures with you. Another thing I want to mention is when you have a long lens like the 100-400, any movement that you make really is exaggerated, I would say. So when I press the button, if it shakes a little bit, you're going to see that in my picture. It's not going to be quite as sharp. So I do have my 2-second delay on, so when I focus, you'll hear it beeps twice and then takes a picture, and that just allows time for my camera to steady. And another thing I do want to mention with having my camera on the tripod, I did turn my image stabilization off too.
So for my next shot, what we're going to do is we're going to use the wide angle at 24 millimeters. We're going to take a shot that's going to go from this patinaed rail that has some history on this road all the way up to the river. Again, it's wide angle, so it's going to be very, very wide. We're going to take in the sides as it's raining, and then we're going to actually do some focus stacking to get through the shot. So let's go ahead and take this shot. We're at 1/4 second f8, and it's right now at 250 ISO. So we're going to take this shot, and then we're going to go up the river a little bit and just to the next point and take that shot, and again up the river a little bit, take a third shot, and the far mountains, we're going to go way back in the far mountains, focus on that and take that shot, and we'll stack them in the studio and show you what they look like.
I've got my variable neutral density on still, and I'm able to get ISO 100, f32, and I'm at 10 seconds. And I've just changed the focus from down the river to up here. There's some more little rapids, tiny little rapids. So I'm going to focus on those, get some different shots. Hopefully that 10 seconds again is going to get some water movement. Then I'm going to flip my camera this way. There's this cloud that's going over a mountain. I'm going to try to get it. It's pretty hazy over there. Again, this rain lighting is not the dramatic kind of lighting we were hoping for, and it's just starting to get wetter and wetter. So I'm going to be quick about this, and we'll show you our shot.